Teka muna. Binago tawag, ano ha? It will stay with Barangay Ginebra. Helderbrand. Nilabas kay Mackie Escalona. He hesitates. A turnaround by Escalona. And parang hirap na hirap umiscore, ano? But you'll take the 2 points. Peter June Simon off balance. And good timing by Kirby Raimundo on that rebound play. They get it out to the point guard, Lanete. Pingris, nilabas kay Lanete. And P.J. Simon misses that one. That's going to be an automatic turnover as it hit the backboard.
But you can see, Ed, the difference of the shots that nakukuha ngayon ng Pure Foods kumpara sa Barangay Ginebra. Yung tira nila kanina, banggang pumasok kay Mackie Escalona, bantay sarado.
Yeah.
Yung business naman dito sa kabila, libre-libre ang nakuha nito si P.J. Simon.
So yun, libre si Ronald Tubid. But he doesn't get the jumper. Here comes Mark Pingris. Tinapikan ni Mackie Escalona. He's been responsible for disrupting a lot of plays by Pure Foods. And Coach Ryan Gregorio sees something that they can talk about in this timeout with 3:02 remaining dito sa ating third quarter namang na 18 ang Pure Foods over Ginebra. Babalik tayo after these reminders from ABC5.
Lanete, last time dahil wala nga daw si Roger Yap, pinakausapan siya ni Coach na kailangan daw siya at talagang sabi niya siya ay nag-focus at talagang inaayos niya at every game, hindi niya raw ito take for granted at iba na raw ang laban ngayon. At sana nga, tuloy-tuloy na itong kanyang pakikitang gilas. Yan muna ang aking report sa full kay Chico Lanete.
Thank you, Joy. At nakikita naman natin si Chico Lanete, bagamat nandiyan na bumalik na si Roger Yap, pinibigyan pa rin siya ng pagkakataon ni Coach Ryan Gregorio. Ayan, siya naglabas ng bola, binigay kay Mark Pingris. Pingris working against Ronald Tubid. And Pingris says, ganun ba? Ikaw ba yan, Ronald? Titirahan kita.
Well, para sa Barangay Ginebra, they have to choose what poison they want. Mark Pingris, they have obviously has an advantage at the post. Hindi sila dumoble. Kaya yun, nakakuha siya ng easy turnaround jump hook.
And on the other side, Mike Hofer is fouled. Si John Dan Salvador at tinawagan ng kanyang pang-apat na personal foul. 2:42 to go here in the third quarter.
It's been a pretty slow quarter dito sa nakikita natin yan sa third quarter because of the fouls that we have seen.
J.J. Helderbrand and still Barangay Ginebra having a hard time of it trying to score from the outside.
Alam mo, Ed, bugbog na bugbog sila in terms of perimeter scoring. Itong Pure Foods have scored 35 from the outside. Barangay Ginebra, 13 lamang.
And J.J. Helderbrand picks up a rebound. Forward to Ronald Tubid against Pingris. That's not gonna work. Ito na naman si Helderbrand. Oh, finally! Nakakuha ng TM3. Atid sa inyo ng point guard ng Barangay Ginebra na si J.J. Helderbrand. Kirby Raimundo. Nakatingin kay John Dan Salvador. Salvador against Mike Holbert. Biglang tumira sa labas. You know maganda dyan kay John Dan Salvador. He's also developed that medium range jumper, ano? Kung bibigyan niya ng konting puwang ng depensa, titirahan niya.
No, although not very tall, yung tira niya naman, he shoots it at the top of his head. Kaya mahirap supalpalin.
Yeah. Mackie Escalona answers back. And they get it back down to 17. Lanete, sinesenyo sa naman ang play para sa Pure Foods. Lanete pa rin dinabas kay Kirby Raimundo. Simon, Pingris, crossword to Lanete. Alam mo, yung pasahan ng Pure Foods, pinpoint at may direksyon may ibig sabihin. At nagkakaroon sila ng maganda mga oportunidad. Dito, hininto nga lang si Chico Lanete by a foul. Kaya magkakaroon naman siya ng dalawang pagkakataon sa free throw line.
And that's when you can see that the team is very confident with each other. Dahil miski may nakikita kang libre, dun ka you're willing to go there. That just shows how much confidence each one has with one another.
That's right. Former world boxing champion Rene Barrientos naamandiay ka sa Sugbo karon. Maayong gabi kaninyong tanan diha sa atong mga amigo Higala. Sa kabisayan ng Mindanao, labi na diha Sugbo. Kumusta mo diha tanan? All right, with that free throw, it is 72-53. 19 na naman ang abante ng Pure Foods with a minute to go in the third quarter. Nice pass inside to Ronald Tubig. A fake. Wala pa rin. And the loose ball picked up by Mackey. Escalona misses. Nako. Ang daming mintis ng Barangay Ginebra. Nasa loob na eh. Pero sinasabi nga natin, you also have to give credit to the defense of the Giants.
You know, the Pure Foods TJ Giants have not really given a lot of easy baskets dito sa Barangay Ginebra. If you're gonna make it, you're gonna have to earn it.
And so far, it's been like pulling teeth para sa Barangay Ginebra, no? Just to get 2 points.
Alam mo, kung titingnan mo yung bench ng Barangay Ginebra, si Coach Jong naghahanap na ng silya na kung saan siya saswertehin. Lumipat na siya ng upuan at because it seems nothing is just going right for his team. You look at the bench, everyone is there. Tapos si Coach Jong, doon na siya, kumuha na siya ng silya na mas malapit ng konti, hoping for a better view.
Alam mo, mabisa yung mga ganyan, mga pahiyang.
Pahiyang na talaga
pahiyang, di ba? Lahat na gagawin mo para lang mabago yung takbo eh. Pero so far, the Pure Foods Tender Juicy Giants have stamped their mark here. At if things don't change drastically, they might be inching closer to that 5th straight win. Ayun na. Nakandara pa si Gilbert Lau in what was supposed to have been the last play for this third quarter. Peter June Simon pa ang makakakuha ng 3-point play, and that has got to be a dagger into the heart of the Barangay Ginebra Gin Kings.
Remember what Pure Foods did in the first half? Maganda yung finishing kick nila. Ito, maganda naman ang finishing kick nila sa third quarter.
Buhay Coke shot yan. Brought to you by Coca-Cola. Lahat ng shots magaganda at walang katulad. Kaya ang Buhay Coke, buksan mo. Pero yan po, dyan po nagsasara ang third quarter ng labanang ito ng Pure Foods at Barangay Ginebra. Hindi pa tapos ito, pero gustong tapusin ng Pure Foods na maaga. There's the score at the end of the third, 77-53.
Nanonood ng live dito sa PBA. Kamusta ka?
Good evening sa lahat na nanonood ng PBA. I'm fine at nag-enjoy ako dito. Kaya lang medyo, yung team ko medyo
Sino ba favorite mong team?
Ginebra.
Favorite player?
Eric next.
At gaano ba kasarap manood ng live dito?
Super sarap kasi ang daming tao at saka sobrang enjoy.
Okay.
Talagang alive na alive.
Siyempre, talagang alive alive as you look at Ms. Iwamoto, the muse of Barangay Ginebra. Hindi masyado makangiti ngayon, ano ha? Pero maganda pa rin.
Tayo na lang ang ngingiti dahil nakita natin siya.
Ito si Brad Pitt. Si Isko. Dapat ikaw nagpunta rito, pinatawa mo naman kami para hindi naman masyado malungkot, pare. Nalulungkot daw siya at ang Barangay Ginebra nahihirapan. Pero ganun talaga eh. Tignan natin if they can at least kung matitibag-tibag nila, no? Itong napakalaking kalamangan, 24 itong hinahabol nila eh. Nasa Pure Foods ngayon ang bola sa pag-umpisa po ng ating fourth quarter. Chico Nanete may tangan ng bola. Ito si Peter June Simon, Brandon Cablay. Halos lahat ng mga pinasok ni Coach Ryan Gregorio dito nagpakitang gilas, ano ha? Sa hanay ng Pure Foods Tender Juicy Giants.
The only guys that haven't scored from the guys that he fielded in, ito si Richard Yee, which is only kakapasok lang niya ngayon. He's only played a minute. At saka si Robert Sanz na kanina bahagyang pumasok ng first half.
Samantala, Brandon Cablay gets that one to go. Ayan na, yung mga propeta. 5-0 daw. Pero sabi ni Bert Marcelo sa akin noon, yung yumaong Bert Marcelo, wala na raw propete. Ang natira, mga mana ng tiyak. Tansyahan na rin. 78-53. Sunday Salvacion. Mike Holper. Biglang tumira galing sa labas. Ayun. Some outside shots finally falling here para sa Barangay Ginebra. At ito sa Peter Jones, yung mga sinusunod